Toyota Motor Manufacturing, Kentucky is located on 1,300 acres in Georgetown, Kentucky. Its 7.5 million square feet of floor space represents Toyota's largest plant in North America. In fact, TMMK is equivalent to 156 football fields under one roof. TMMK's products include the Camry and Avalon sedans, the Solara Coupe and convertible, as well as V6 and 4-cylinder engines and engine components. TMMK is a fully integrated manufacturing facility. The process to build a vehicle begins in stamping, where giant coils of steel weighing as much as 24 tons are straightened, cleaned, and cut. Stamping is responsible for producing some 274 sheet metal parts. From this point in the process, it takes about 20 hours to produce a vehicle. In stamping, 44 presses stamp the parts before they are inspected by team members and then delivered to the body shop. Body weld is responsible for taking the sheet metal parts from stamping to produce a complete body shell. By the time all of the sheet metal parts are welded together into a single mass of steel, the body shell will have received more than 4,400 welds. Body weld is the most automated production area at TMMK, with 97% of the welds being performed by over 600 robots. The completed body shell will move from body weld to paint, where it will spend about 10.5 hours of the 20 hours required in our manufacturing process. The paint process begins with the body shell being submerged in a phosphate coating tank. This removes dirt, grease, and other contaminants. Other paint processes include electrodeposition, dry sand and sealing, anti-chip, primer, wet sand, and top coat. Each vehicle is also inspected. TMMK also produces many of its own parts in its plastics department. These items include front and rear bumpers, instrument panels, door trims, headliners, and garnishes. In the powertrain plant, TMMK machines and assembles components for both 4-cylinder and V6 engines. Axles are also machined and assembled. Powertrain machines the camshaft, crankshaft, connecting rods, cylinder block, cylinder head, pistons, and piston pins. TMMK also exports some of its engines to other countries. TMMK has 2 assembly lines which make up the largest area of the plant, covering more than 2 million square feet of floor space. Each assembly line is divided into 3 main sections: trim, chassis, and final line. Final line includes a series of final inspection processes. TMMK has the capacity to build 500,000 vehicles annually.